Hi, my name is Jenni Cargill-Strong. I'm a storyteller, and I offer a workshop that I created called Stories from a More Beautiful World. It was inspired by the title of a book by Charles Eisenstein, The More Beautiful World Our Hearts Know Is Possible. And that title made my heart sing, and I love Charles Eisenstein's work. So that's why I chose the title. And to explain why you might want to join this workshop, the reason I teach it is because I'm very passionate, deeply passionate, to share, especially with change makers, but also with educators and healers who are being supportive and nourishing in our communities, ways to use the ancient and powerful art of storytelling to help in their endeavors. I'm particularly passionate about activism and change making, but anyone who's helping the world be a kinder place, I want to help them to connect with storytelling and figure out how to use it. So if you want to figure out how to use storytelling in whatever you do, with a particular emphasis on healing and change making, then please come to this workshop. I'd love to meet you. It's not a storytelling workshop for beginners in the sense that it's not about the beginner's steps of storytelling, but you are able to come even if you're a beginner, even if you've never told stories, that's fine. I don't put anyone on the spot. I don't make you stand up in front of the group and do anything scary. It's just very soft and very heart-based. And I work very specifically to what shows up in the group that presents for each workshop. So I teach online and I teach face-to-face. And no matter where I'm teaching, I figure out who's there and what their interests are first. And then I teach to the overlap between my experience and expertise and what that particular group who's showed up in that particular workshop is wanting and needing. And that makes me excited and makes it always feel fresh. So I've had all sorts of different kinds of people turn up to these workshops. People from all over the world have joined the online workshops, and teachers, lawyers, activists, change makers, scientists, educators, all sorts of different people. So you're very welcome to join us too. So check out the links below, and maybe I'll see you someday. Cheers.